Oh my god, I have to do the stock portfolios and I have to take the crap from my balls and I gotta cut off my foot for the project I have to do. And then I gotta get home and feed my cat and my dog and my fish and my horse. And so that's just my normal life. So much work, but then I get to go home and watch America's Most Wanted. Oh, that's so funny that my house looks exactly like my office. It's just a coincidence. I'm just a random pigeon. Oh my god! Stinking rat fur fag. If you've seen this man, call 1337-HACKS and don't let the doorknob raper get away. Remember, he's perverted. Oh my gosh. Hey, dead pigeon. Hey, dead metro. Damn it, why does the phone have to be up there? Hello? America's Most Wanted?
Yes, this is us. What did you call for?
I saw the doorknob raper.
Okay, sir, just calm the fuck down. Cops are coming. Just calm the fuck down!
I'm calm. I'm really calm, okay? I'm so calm right now. You don't even know.
Okay, sir, where is the doorknob raper?
He's on my TV.
Oh my god. Okay, boys, get ready to move in. Sir, if you do not come out of there, we will have to shoot you. Okay, you're not coming out. We're gonna shoot you now.
Hey guys, did you get him?
Yeah.